After your profile is complete, you move to the Select Preferences page. Here, there are 3 important rules you need to know before you start filling your preferences. First, you can add as many colleges or universities as you want to your preference list. There is no limit, so feel free to add all the options you are considering. Second, you need to order them by priority. The college you want the most should be at the top. You can use the arrows in the Move column to arrange them as your first choice, second choice, third choice, and so on. Third, and this is very important, once you submit a college, you cannot delete it from the list. The system only allows additions and reordering, so think carefully before submitting and make sure you are happy with your choices. Here, you will search and choose the colleges and courses you want to apply to. Use the filters applying for, course name, specialization, and institute name to narrow down your options. If you are an undergraduate, select Bachelor's in the Applying for dropdown, then pick your course, specialization, and institute. If you are a postgraduate, select Master's, and the portal will take you to an Educational Details tab where you must fill in your graduation university, degree, qualifying country, passing year, result pattern, result status, percentage, marks obtained, and total marks. Once saved, return to the Select Preferences page. Click Search Program to see all available colleges and courses that match your filters. Add each one you want in your order of preference. You can reorder your choices using the up and down arrow keys to place your most preferred college at the top. Once you are satisfied, click Submit Preferences. Your saved preferences can be exported as a CSV file for your records. To change any preference later, you can use the Application tab on your dashboard even after paying the eligibility fee. Once your preferences are saved, click Pay to proceed to the eligibility fee payment. The portal will show you a final review of all your personal and passport details. Verify everything carefully and click Proceed to Payment. The eligibility fee is $50, and the currency will automatically adjust based on your country. Please note that this eligibility fee is completely non-refundable. Keep your internet connection stable. Do not refresh or close the browser during payment, and after a successful transaction, you will be redirected automatically. Once payment is done, go to the Downloads tab on your dashboard to download your payment receipt. Your application will now be sent to the Eligibility Department for verification, and the provisional eligibility confirmation typically takes 7 to 10 working days. You can track the progress of your application on the dashboard at any time.